always the first stop. So the fish tacos here are actually kind of gooey even. Definitely not overcooked. It's totally fresh white fish. It's we call it the lady fish down here, and it's my favorite white fish. It's better than halibut. I'm presuming it's like egg, beer, flour, and some like oregano in there or something. What do you got there, Cash?
Tortilla.
How are the tortillas here?
They're really good.
Yeah, they're fresh off the grill, right, Beckett?
Right.
Welcome to the beautiful Cantamar, Baja Mexico. From here you can actually find the best food in the world served in restaurants. I really do feel that, and it's so affordable, and the people are so friendly, and the scenery is so nice. Welcome to Baja. Kids can come in the camera if they want to. Mommy too. Why you leaving? Gonna see your mom. Watch some TV. Do you need me at all? Why you leaving? Make me feel this tall. Don't put that phone down. All I wants to do is ball. While you were dating, out playing with your friends, I was working to buy you that ring. I've been scheming, so your friend's been saying, just give me 1 month before you move away to Spain. I want you to stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, baby. Well, I want you to stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, baby. Well, I want you to stay. Well, I want you to stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, baby. Well, I want you to stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, baby. Well, I want you to stay. Viva Mexico. Yeah, Cash? Yeah, go for a run. We're running to Splash. There it is. For some authentic lobster.
And of course, with all greatest cuisine in the world comes rice and beans. Arroz y frijoles. Salsa, along with our main course today. Lobster, not steamed, not boiled, but fried on a flat grill with butter on the side. The only way to roll after a little ceviche appetizer.
Oh, and margarita aperitif. Thank you, love, for the spot for my birthday.
Not only my favorite cuisine in the world, but my favorite soup in the world. Tortilla soup. Okay, Cash, I'm coming over to you for your tortilla eating style right now. Well done. Well done. And we just got a bottle of the LA Chetto Nebbiolo.
Hello.
Strangely, Italian varietals work very well in the arid desert.
I like this.
Here,
It goes,
and it gets
look.
foggy up there.
It matches.
The Nebbiolo
Look, Beckett.
up there. So my wife and I
Come on, Code.
think
Drink
it
the
goes
Coke.
perfect with the tortilla soup and ceviche with the fresh avocado on top. What kind of more
Mommy,
Hawaiian
Code,
would be better than Mexican food than Nebbiolo?
Coke is not
are at-
spicy.
Look at that.